Hi, and welcome to the LB0 Fox India channel, and welcome to my office. In a couple of hours, this venue will be filled with about 500 people listening to their favorite music. But first of all, we're going to test out how much this little Retevis radio really can handle. Retevis claims that you can drive your car over the radio and it'll still be working. Is that true? We'll know in a little while. So let's first check out if the radio works, and then we'll drive over it.
LB0 Fox India teste, det er LB0 Fox India som tester. LB0 Fox India teste, LB0 Fox India teste.
The radio works on both transmit and receive. Let's go ahead and drive over it. And as you can see, there are some tire marks on the radio, but it seems like there aren't any cracks or anything on it. So let's see if it transmits and receives now.
LB0 Fox India teste, det er LB0 Fox India som tester. LB0 Fox India teste, det er LB0 Fox India som tester.
Honestly, I did not expect that. I did not expect that at all, that the radio really would handle being driven over by a car. But it does. So I guess this is a strong radio. Well, I gotta go back to work, but I'll see you guys next time. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And until next time, 7-3.